Introducing OpenTranscribe, a powerful browser extension that helps genealogists, historians, and researchers transcribe handwritten historical documents using over 100 open public AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Qwen, and more. Getting started is incredibly easy. Select some images or drag and drop a folder into OpenTranscribe, choose your AI model, and start transcribing. The built-in model selector ranks all AI models by accuracy and cost, so you can find the perfect option for your project. Use Smart Adjust to automatically optimize your images with a single click. This process improves brightness, contrast, and clarity, so AI models can read your documents more accurately. OpenTranscribe can process multiple documents at the same time, with configurable agents running in parallel. You can search your entire library of transcriptions by keyword with live instant highlighting. Use the built-in editor to review and edit transcriptions side by side with the original image. Best of all, OpenTranscribe is affordable. You can transcribe hundreds of pages for less than $1 using budget-friendly models. OpenTranscribe runs entirely on your own computer, and your documents are only sent directly to the AI provider that you selected. Search OpenTranscribe in your browser's extension store or visit our website at genia.ca/OpenTranscribe. That's Genia, GENEA.ca/OpenTranscribe to learn more. If you need a hand with getting started, don't hesitate to contact us at hello@genia.ca. That's HELLO@genia, GENEA.ca. Or click the help button at the top of any OpenTranscribe page to access our support center. Thank you so much for your time and happy transcribing.